Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this stunning Yamaha MT10 for sale. It's a 2016 on a 16 plate, done 13,219 miles from new. I've actually owned one of these in this colour scheme and they're unbelievable bikes. So in 2016 they didn't come with a quickshifter, but this one has the Yamaha quickshifter fitted to it. It's also got the Yamaha comfort seat, which is a really nice addition on these. It's got the tail tidy, it's got some billet levers on there, and it's also lower down with the Scorpion exhaust and decat, and it's got the Gillies parts there, so the oil filler cap and the engine casing. You get a digital display, you get power modes, you get traction, you get ABS, you get cruise control. So they're a really well spec bike. Mega fun to ride, and they always sell pretty quick. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.